Hey, here we go, Trans Am fans. You got two cars here, a 70 AAR Cuda, and you have a Boss 302 for 1970. These cars squared off against each other back in the Trans Am races. Take a look at this one. This car was just completed, a 5-year nut and bolt restoration. It was finished about 45 days ago and brought down from Rhode Island, where the car originated from. So, Dan Gurney was the factory driver for Plymouth on the Trans Am circuit, and that's why you see AAR. It was Dan Gurney's All-American Racers. And squaring off with that was this car driven by Parnelli Jones. You know, Trans Am was back in 69, 70. Trans Am became almost as popular as NASCAR itself. And because you would get out these sedans that you would see on the street, and you could recognize them on the racetrack. So you had the Boss 302, Parnelli Jones, with Dan Gurney racing these. And then also, you would have Sweet Savage was racing the regular Cudas. And then on the Dodge team, you had Sam Posey driving the TA Challengers. But there you have it, gang. An exercise in Trans Am racing. And these are real deal homologation cars for Trans Am racing. This is Gauze Garage. Thank you.